Yes, Etsy family, I hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to be absolutely real with you. If you want to market and promote your Etsy store right now, probably the best way to do that, obviously, is going to be within Etsy, and it's going to be the Etsy ads. That's probably the best way, really. However, if you're looking to help promote it outside of the Etsy bubble, if you like, then one of the best ways is using TikTok, because TikTok current is popping and people are on it all the time. And you know what? There's a lot of Etsy sellers already doing this, and they are actually driving traffic through it. So guys, if you love videos on Etsy and you love all of that marketing, selling, digital, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed, man. Guys, my name's AJ from Just Teaching Stuff, and this video is about how you can actually use TikTok to market your store. Now, I'm going to use this as a prime example, right? This is a TikTok account which is actually promoting their Etsy store, right? Now, it's a really good, really good example. Now, the thing is, what you need to do is you need to find what your niche is selling. So go to TikTok and do a very quick search in terms of what you're selling and seeing what other people are actually doing. And then just have a look and see the posts that they do, especially the ones that are selling or getting viewed a lot, because that'll give you a good idea of what the kind of video that you should do or images that you should produce. Because, you know, like I keep saying, you got to learn from the best on the competition so you know what to do. But one thing I will say about TikTok, probably maybe more so than Instagram or Pinterest, which is those two are another good ones. But I will say TikTok is a real good one to do right now, because a lot of people are on TikTok, and also the algorithm works in a way where you can get a lot of views actually. So look, this is an account called Digital Craft Maniac. I really like the account, and also I like what they're doing with their Etsy store. When you click on it, you can see that they've actually got the link to their Etsy store right there. You got how many people are following, followers and likes and so forth, right? How many they're following and so forth. And you can see it's literally videos on what they are selling or they sell in their Etsy store, because when you actually go and click the link, you'll see a lot of these products there. Now, granted, you may not get as many sales as you think through all the social media and that traffic. However, you are promoting your brand, you're getting more eyes on your store, and obviously the bigger you get on TikTok, the more people are likely to come across and buy your product. So look, it's a win-win. So I always suggest to people, just create your account anyway, all right, and upload your videos. You know, upload as much as you can. Try and be as consistent as you can. So as you do your listings, do your socials, and that's all good for you. And so for this seller, you can see that it's got information about what they sell, Tumblr wraps, digital clipper. And then when you click on the link, it takes you directly to the store. Now, you do need to have at least 1,000 followers to be able to create a link on TikTok. However, like I said, if you start building up those, showing these posts, these videos, then slowly over time you will get those followers, especially in your particular niche. Because look at this. This is a specific niche, which is Tumblr wraps. Yet people are following and people are liking it, right? So that's pretty amazing. Coming back to the store, you can see this is what the seller has and all the sort of listings around. You can see a lot of these listings. You can see the videos for these were actually on TikTok, right? So, you know, you don't have to put a lot of that work into it. You just need to use the similar videos on your TikTok account, right? So it's literally about repurposing those videos. And I do suggest you start doing that. Even if you want to start small, start slowly, just start the account. Put a video maybe once a week, and then slowly, gradually start building up. But getting a presence on something like TikTok, I think, is very important. Look, there's millions of sellers out there. There's a lot of competition. The more you can do to stand out from the crowd, the better. Now, do check out my video on the 5 best marketing strategies or promoting strategies you can do for your Etsy store. I've got a video on that, which is fantastic, and it goes through another fantastic idea which you can do yourselves. But listen, TikTok is a must, guys. And like I said, what you need to do is go onto TikTok and actually do a search. So I might say clip art, right? Clip art, or clip art Highland Cow, right? Highland Cow clip art, right? And I can tell you something, no matter what niche you sell, whether it be print on demand, whether it be digital products, doesn't really matter. You will find people that are selling these on Etsy. Now, the thing is, you can also sell directly, right? Some people sell directly to their Shopify store. But look at these, right? Look at these. These are your clip arts, right? Fantastic, right? So check these out, man. Check these out, Highland Cows, man. These are all these kind of clip out Highland Cows, right? Pretty cool, right? Let me just click on one of these, and then there you go. Here's another prime example, right? Digital artist and Etsy shop owner. Now, once this following reaches at least 1,000 followers, then what the seller can do is they can actually create a link to their Etsy store, right? And then probably they're probably selling these at the minute onto the Etsy shop. And yeah, like this is how to start. So actually go ahead. My advice is go ahead and start opening a TikTok account, right? You'll be surprised how many people actually like what you're doing and probably want to follow you. And what it is you will be growing a presence on your TikTok account, and then you'll have obviously your Etsy store. So hopefully you'll be able to funnel some of these customers to your Etsy store. Now, my suggestion also, not only with TikTok, is to get your Instagram, like I've said on another video, get your Instagram, get your Pinterest account sorted as well, right? I really do believe you should. And like I said, don't expect miracles. Don't expect like hundreds of people coming to your store through those channels. However, slowly over time, you'll see a gradual increase of traffic from your social media for sure. And there's another really interesting one, and check out my video on it, where you could even create a YouTube channel just around your designs, and that's another fantastic idea. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And don't forget, check out my video, my playlist on all of this, all things Etsy, mate. All things Etsy. Take care.